Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So someone reached out to us that he's having issues using his PayPal account even after PayPal had announced that we can now receive and send payments in Nigeria through PayPal. Sincerely speaking, I think it has been a big issue since about 2 weeks now that it was announced, on Twitter by Mr. Tayo Oviosu of Paga Tech Limited. So it's no longer history that Paga Limited and Paga and PayPal have come together to actually start enabling settlement, payment, and receiving funds through PayPal in Nigeria. So if you're also having issues receiving payments in Nigeria through PayPal, this video is for you. So make sure you stay and watch it to the end. I'll be right back to talk about what you need to do. Welcome back, guys. So like I said earlier, if you're having issues with your PayPal account or you can't receive payment in Nigeria, even though you have followed all the instructions I gave in this video where I talked about how you can open a PayPal account in Nigeria, link it up with Paga and start receiving funds. So if you're also having issues, this is what you must do. It is very simple. You need to download PayPal app from Play Store or iOS. Because by default, to register a PayPal account, through Paga Tech app. So after registering on the app, you register on PayPal, then do your KYC on Paga. Then you are supposed to start receiving payment. But if you're having issues, like I said, this is actually for you. All you need to do is, once you are through with your KYC and you have linked your PayPal account to Paga account, the next thing you need to do is go to Play Store or iOS, download PayPal mobile app. After downloading the app, you need to log in with your email address, the one you registered with on Paga. Once you log in, it will prompt you to do another KYC. Please do your KYC again on the app. It sounds stressful, like issues and whatever it is, like it's going to take time, it's time consuming, but I would advise that you do everything so that once someone sends money to you, you'll be able to get them to receive the payment. So the only way and the easiest way for you to use PayPal in Nigeria without issues is by making sure after registering on Paga and completing your KYC, you also go to the store like iOS, Amazon, or Play Store, download PayPal app, log in with the email address you used to register on Paga, then upload your KYC, complete the KYC, fill the form. They are going to prompt you to even verify your address. Do all sorts of verifications and then try to resend money to the account. You'll be surprised that you'll be able to receive funds. You can also link your card to make payments and to do all sorts. If this has helped you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this thing with your friends that might be having issues with using PayPal and Paga in Nigeria. Thank you once again for watching our videos. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave. Thank you and bye for now.